Want to know how to explore apps in Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Microsoft 365 website. Just simply it was app365.cloud and you should be right here. Now, on the left side, you should be seeing your menu or navigation popping off. You can just simply select that. If it's not there, it should extend it. Now you can just simply scroll down and here you should be seeing apps right here. You can just simply select that in order to extend your apps. So your apps range from Outlook all the way to Designer and much more. So you can also range it from calendars, editors and much more. So as you scroll down, you can see all of it. So you can just simply choose any one of these in order to go through it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you check your apps and explore apps in Microsoft 365. You can also open them individually as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.